All right, Peter, you ready? Take two. Hey! Oh, man, it got stuck in the tree. Timer flash 7 times. BTU system. You ain't testing, you're guessing. Peter, it's this one. By the way, you can feel the heat coming out of this bad boy, this temp star. Woo! You tell me. All right, service call's all yours.
Yeah, I think I know what's wrong.
What's wrong with it?
Fan's not running.
Fan's not running. All right. What are you gonna do, Peter? Okay, unplug disconnect. There you go. All right, go get tool bag. All right, while Peter goes to the truck and gets the tool bag so he can diagnose one of the 4 condensing units that we have here. We also have another issue with the 4-zone Fujitsu system for the basement. But I want to show you something real fast. A project that we completed for this homeowner, about 3 weeks ago. Check this out. So about 3 weeks ago, we completed this pool refurbishment. The pool was shot. Another contractor came in here, tried to bamboozle them, ripped out the liner and said, oh, there's leaks in the plumbing. The walls are caving in, and gave him a price of over $150,000 to redo the pool. I came in here with my pool guy. We forgot to put the skimmer covers on, by the way, the little bezels around the skimmer box, but for a fraction of the price, we cleaned up all the walls, the steel walls. We recompacted the base. We put a new vinyl liner in, one-piece vinyl liner. We did some plumbing to the jacuzzi, and we also put in some new pumps. Let me show you those pumps right here. That's that Fujitsu we're gonna work on next. Well, we got 3 new pumps. 1, 2, and 3. Look, even the plastic is still on it. It's very nice. We have the Jandy AquaLink control. We did a new chlorinator, and we got them up and running. We're gonna deal with this next, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look over here, over to Peter. Peter, what's doing? Daniel.
Yeah?
What's doing?
Compressor on one of the axis is shot.
Okay.
I haven't gotten to cleaning or checking the outer units. I'm still inside.
You're still inside, huh?
What?
You're still working inside?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Very good. But okay. So here we are, Peter. We got this temp star. So let's grab this long Phillips screwdriver. Oh, she is seized up. She is definitely seized up. Look at that. She don't want to move freely. But I'm willing to wager, if we pop open the electrical compartment, we're going to see a failed capacitor. What do you think? All right. Let's take a look at this electrical compartment. Well, we have our contactor, time delay relay, and we have a dual capacitor there. You can feel the heat coming from this thing, by the way. Put your hand right here. Feel that. It is just crazy heat. You know, this is a perfect example. If something's not working right, just turn it off. You know, if you're driving your car and you hear it's not driving the way it should, you're not going to keep, driving. You're going to stop. You're going to pull over. You're going to go call a tow truck. Go to a service center. People here, they keep it on. That's the most stupidest thing you could do, is keeping it on. But if you want to keep leaving it on, knock yourself out, because I'll keep making more cash. I guarantee it. All right, let's, we have a red wire, a blue wire, and a brown wire, okay? Let's take out that dual capacitor, remove those wires. We're gonna test this dual capacitor. Shake it, shake it, shake it like a Polaroid picture. You hear anything in there? Okay. What size is it?
57.5. 67.5.
67. Is it really 67.5? Yes, it is. And she is hot. Well, let's take this off before you lose it. Actually, it's melted to it. Oh my God. And she is hot. She's hotter than that your sister was last night. Okay. Let's test. Yeah, a little cocky. A little buggies. Capacitance. By the way, in case you don't have a Fluke 902 FC, there's a link down in the description box down below. 7.5, 7.6. She's good. All right, and 56.8. We have a good dual capacitor.
Yeah.
What we have is a failed condenser fan motor. I wonder if we put a hard start on it, if it would work. Wow. All right. So we have a dead condenser fan motor here. We have a series of wires leaving here. What is up with this? What is up with this? Is this an ECM motor? No, it's not. This is the PSC motor. Okay, Peter. Let's get the W40 or the Croyle. We'll spray that hub down. No, we're going to leave that there. We're going to take it out right in place. That's the goal. Croyle. Yep. Let's get the Croyle. You may need the puller.
It's in that black box.
No, it's probably the Croyle and a hammer, or something to hammer with, like a crescent wrench. Gotta love the Croyle. You know, I bet I could spray this thing down and make it work again. What do you think? Oh, you got her. Okay. All right. Let's take that little retention nut out, screw out. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Oh yeah, you're gonna get that money today. When's the last time you went to the gym?
I was gonna go.
Not when you're gonna go next. When's the last time?
I went for like a good week straight, and then I haven't gone since Thursday because I've had a head cold.
Oh, okay. You go a week straight? I mean, what, you go every day for a week? Really?
At least for an hour, yeah. I've been trying.
Really? Wow, you're like Air Force None, by the way. Air Force None was like addicted to that, the gym. All right, we see if we can pull it out. Go Gadget, strength. Oh, she's hot.
I got no idea. No, I don't.
No. All right, you need to get the puller. You gotta get the puller. The puller is in a clear. Yeah. Oh, there he is.
The tiniest one yet.
I know. The puller is on the top shelf next to the. Hi. It's got one blue eye, by the way. One like, hey, come here. Hi. What are you doing? It's on the top shelf next to the blower motors. The motors.
Okay.
It's in a clear plastic bag. It's wrapped up. Try not to open up the plastic bag so it spills all over the place. Maybe we can, yeah, see. She no bueno. She no bueno. All right, now we got the fan blade puller on our condenser fan motor. Oh, she got a little tight on you, huh? See if you can just go do a spin around. Wee, like that, see? Wee. I sometimes put a socket. It's almost off. I put a socket with an impact driver or the drill. You're off. Okay. There it is. Okay. So hold on. Take that off of there. We'll put a puller away. And make sure we don't damage the condenser fan motor blade. All right. So there's our motor. She lived a good life. We're going to drop her from here. Ground. Okay. Looks like we have a 2-speed fan motor here. And well, she's going to be a single speed now because she's an R22 condenser. And I keep telling them, let's replace the system. But they keep telling me, listen, I'll give you a couple $1,000, make it work again. I'm like, all right, whatever you want. So here we are. Shaft blasting. There it is. The shaft has been blasted. Okay, we're securing the set screw onto the condenser fan motor blade. Perfect. All right, very nice. And now she spins freely. Very, very nice. All right, we're gonna run our voltage wiring. Same way the old one was. We're gonna zip tie everything nice and neat to here and then through, and we have a harness to connect. All right, so we pulled the condenser fan motor shroud assembly and the motor, and we got most of the dirt. There it all is right there. The mulch that's been growing in here for literally 4 years, because the last time we actually did real maintenance on these was the year before COVID, and that was in June of 2019. So 20, 21, 22, 23. So this is now the 4th year that there's been no maintenance done on any of the machines here. As per the homeowner, we're only repairing things as they break. And they're never even home anyway. They're in Russia. So, seriously. So this is a train we put in a number of years ago. It's an R22 system. That's a ream that was done before our time. And there's another ream R22 system. Yeah, this coil has definitely seen better days. But fortunately, the the 4 dogs that are here urinate on that lamppost and not this coil. All right, so the previous motor was a 2-speed condenser fan motor. Now we're only using 1 speed, okay? So FM is fan motor, right? By the way, this is schematic, the connection diagram that came with the unit. All right, so R, coming from our fan motor, is going to our contactor, right? So we're just using black and white on our new motor, right? So the R will become white, okay? And now we have a brown going to our fan capacitor, the solid brown. The stripe brown will insulate, will cap off, right?
Solid brown.
Yeah, because we have a 3-wire connection. So insulate the striped brown lead. We're only using the brown to the capacitor. All right, so the striped brown gets capped off. Now we have the blue, which goes to our low speed control. That's also going to get capped off. And the black is going to go to black, which is the high speed. It's only going to be a single speed condenser fan motor. Capiche?
Okay.
Yes?
And then the brown goes.
Red goes to white, black to black, blue gets capped off, brown goes to brown. All right, so here's that harness that we're going to repurpose. The red was the white, the brown is the solid brown, the black is the black, and the blue is not being used. And the brown is also not being used as well. Okay, let's put that back in there. And then Peter, you get to do the honors. All right, Peter. May the force be with you. I'm covering my eyes. Oh no. Look at that. But the fan's not coming on. Wah, 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 wah. All right, we got rid of the fan speed control, removed a bunch of wires. Orange went from T1 to blower relay. And then we had power going through this to the contactor for 24 volts. The brown goes here, it goes nowhere now. It's kind of abandoned, so as long as my motor is good, it'll power on. So fire up. There you go. Is it blowing the right way? I don't know. We got a $100 bill? Let's see. I got a $20 bill. Oh, she's the wrong way. Oh, man. Sorry, guys. I didn't have any C notes today. Benjamins. No Benjamins today, but the 20, she suffices. Someone had asked in one of the shorts I made, Mike, what would you do if the $100 bill got sucked into the condenser fan motor and shredded like confetti? The answer is very easy. Just add $100 to the bill. All right, Peter, you ready? Take 2. Hey! Oh, man, it got stuck in the tree. It's stuck in the tree. Oh, man. What the hell? Peter, you let the $20 get away from you. There's our winning lottery ticket right there. It's in the tree. Oh, man, I swear, you can't make this stuff up. Where is she? She's right there. You don't see it? Right there.
There it is, right there. See it?
Oh yeah.